What's up, y'all? On my way to do some hair. Okay, I just wanted to let you guys know my outfit I'm wearing today. The pants are from Fashion Nova. Yeah, I got those a while back with the rips in them. I have on my Gucci belt today. The blouse is for Forever 21, and I think I got this blouse for like $1.50. They got a 65% off sale, y'all. Everything in the store. From the prices marked on the tag. Yeah. Got my little rosary beads on. And I'm out. I have to go and do my client. And, oh yeah, I want to put this video up for one of my clients that bought the 30-inch body wave. This is what happens to the hair when you wet it and let it dry. And like, I had wand curls in it though. But this is after the wand curls fell, and I gave it a brush with some water, not a lot. And then this is the look that I got. So for my client, I was thinking about you today. I said, let me do this for her because she was talking about a 30-inch. She wanted a 30-inch deep wave. And I was like, it's not gonna deep wave. You have to order a deep wave. But she got the body wave, and I told her that I would try to show her a video on how this hair acts when you got water, just a little bit, and you have your wand curls fall. Okay? Okay. Just wanted to come at y'all with my little outfit today. Yeah, Fashion Nova and Forever 21, they came through. They sure did. So, I'm gonna beat this heat. Finna leave right now. See y'all later.